Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So my name is Hana Fadela and my matrix number is 2025400562. So I will be answering index number, question number 1, case study 1, and also case study 2, question 3.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fakhrul Hakimi bin Sudarmono. My student ID is 2025402614. So for today, I will answer question 3.2 case study, probability.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to Madam Narazana. Okay, so my name is Mazumi Ryan bin Ajarin. My student ID is 2025872898. I will be answering the question about the probability, which is question 2.
If you want to find the simple relative price index for fragrant rice, you have to divide 2023 with 2022 price and times it with 100. Also, the answer will be 109.20. And the price of fragrant rice increased by 9.2% compared to 2022. Next, for the wheat flour, so same method, 2023 divide by the base year and then times it with 100. So 3.20 divide by 2.80 and times with 100. So the answer will be 114.29. So the price of wheat flour increased by 40.29% compared to 2022. Then for the vermicelli, same method, 2022 divide by the base year and then times with 100. So 2.20 divide by 2.10 and times with 100. And the answer will be 123.81. So the means that the price of vermicelli increased by 23.81% compared to 2022. Fragrant rice, 2023 divide by 2022 times 100. 600 divide by 750 and times it with 100. So the answer will be 80. And for wheat flour, same method. So 1350 divide by 1000 times 100. And the answer will be 135. So for the vermicelli, 3000 divide by 2300 and then times with 100, and then the answer will be 130.43. So means that the item that experience highest growth in demand is wheat flour because it's recorded the highest simple relative quantity index of 135 in 2023, indicating a 35% increase in quantity compared to 2022. The formula is the total of 2023 price divide by the total of 2022, the price for 2022, and divide it with 100. So the answer will be 112.50. That's for the simple aggregate price index. For the simple aggregate quantity index, use the same formula. The total of 2023 for quantity 2023 divide by total of quantity at 2022 and times it with 100. and then you will get the answer 122.22 cent. Quantity unit. Need to count fragrant rice 9.50 divided by 8.70 and times it with 100, and the answer is 109.20. And for the wheat flour, just insert the information to the formula. So 3.20 divided by 2.80 and times it with 100, and the answer is 114.29. And then for the last one, vermicelli 2.60 divided by 2.10 and times it with 100, and the answer you will get 123.81. So 1 divided by 3 and then 109. The total, the answer for all the 3 items. So you plus all the 3 of the items, all the price, all the answer, and then you will get the answer, which is 115.77. So the average of 3 items has increased by 15.77% in 2023 compared to 2022.
So this is how to solve this question. So let C equals to cash, CL equals to cashless, G for grocery, and G for non-grocery. So 0.2 to C to NG is 0.4, C to G is 0.6. So the probability is C and NG equals to 0.2 times 0.4 equal to 0.8. So probability for C and G equals to 0.2 times 0.6 equals to 0.12. So 0.8 to CL to G is 0.75 and CL to NG is 0.25. So the probability for CL and G is 0.8 times 0.75 equals to 0.6. So for probability for CL and NG is 0.8 times 0.25 equals to 0.2. So this is the answer. P in bracket G equals to 0.12 plus 0.6 equals to 0.72. So this is the answer. P in bracket G equals to 0.12 plus 0.6 equals to 0.72. So this is how we solve it. P in bracket NG equals to 0.08 plus 0.2 equals to 0.28. This is how to solve it. P probability C and NG equals to P C and NG over P and G.
Okay, so let's get in. Section 1, set-based questions. Question A, how many students play football only? So we get the total of 70 minus 40, so we get the total of 30 equals to 30 students who only play football. So for the question B, how many students play basketball only? So we get the total of playing basketball, which is 55 and minus 30, so we get the answer, total of 25 students who only play basketball. So for the question C, how many students play either football or basketball or both? So we get 30 plus 25 and also plus 30, so we get the answer of 85 students who play either football or basketball or both. So for the question D, how many students do not play either sports? So we minus 150, which is the total students, and minus the 85 who play both sports. So we get a total of 65 students who do not play the both sports. So for the question E, present the information above in a diagram. So as we can see, F for the players for the students who play football, and B, students who play basketball. So the students who only play football is 30, which is as we can see on the Venn diagram, 30, and basketball, students who only play for basketball is 25. So yeah, as you can see, the intersection of students who play football and basketball is 30 students of them. So as we can see, 70 divided by 150, which is the 70 of the students play football, and the 150 is the total of the students. So we get the answer of 0.467. Okay, so for the question B, what is the probability that the students play both sports? So the total students for the play the both sports is 30 students. So we divide it by 150, which is the total students. So we get the 0.2 probability of students who play both sports. So for the question C, what is the probability that a student plays only one sport? So 30 plus, so we divided with the total students, which is 150, so we get the answer of the probability, which is 0.367 for the probability for students who play only one sport. 65 divided by the total of the student, 150, so we get the probability of the students who did not play both sports, 0.433. So let's go to the final question E. No, it is because mutually exclusive event cannot happen at the same time, since 30 students subscribe both platform, which is 30 of the students play both sports, football and basketball. So the event is overlaps.
So for the formula NPR, N apostrophe divide N minus R apostrophe. So for question 1, the N was 12, the R was 5. So 12 PER, combination R, and then 12 apostrophe divide 12 minus 5 apostrophe. So the answer will be 95040. So it has 95040 ways. For question 2, we use NCR, and then N apostrophe divide R apostrophe N minus R apostrophe. So for N is 12, and then R is 6, and then we insert the information to the formula. So 12 combination of 6, and then 12 apostrophe divide by 6 apostrophe, 12 minus 6 apostrophe. So it has 924 combination. So the answer will be 924 combination. So for combination, we use the NCR. So the N for question 3 is 12, the R is 6, and then we insert all the information to our formula, which is 12 combination 6, 12 apostrophe 6 apostrophe, 12 minus 6 apostrophe. So the answer will be 924 combination. Same as question number 1, we use the implementation formula. So the N is 12 and the R is 6. So 12 combination 6 and 12 apostrophe divided by 12 minus 6 apostrophe, and the answer is 665,280 ways. So it has many ways, and that's the end of question number 3. So thank you. Bye.